Hey guys, since we do not have school for the rest of the day, I figured I would take advantage of this time and go over the graphic periodic terms. Yes, I am a bit stuffy, so bear with me. We have the atomic radius versus atomic number first. So, some of you guys actually had the graph paper that was printed for you. Some of you guys might have needed graph paper. So, I have blown them up for you so you can see it. And for the first one, I just looked at the tabulated values from 3 through 20. And I put them on a graph. So for 3, it's about 1.23, and so on and so forth. So based off of this graph, it's telling me right up at the top, use a colored pen or pencil to draw a vertical line that represents the beginning of each period, which is a horizontal row on the periodic table. So when it comes to period, so element 3, this is period 2, and then it goes to 11. So what I'm going to do with a color is that I'm just going to draw a vertical line that separates each one. So there's that one. And then for 19 and 20, they're on a separate period as well. So I'm going to draw another line that separates those. I wish I could draw it with a ruler, but with holding this with my hand and drawing this with my other hand, it's a little difficult, so it is a little crooked, but at the same time you can really see as you go across the period, the atomic radius decreases. And as you go down each period, at the start of each period, it gets gradually larger. So 3 is smaller than 11, which is smaller than 19. So for the second one, it's telling me to do the atomic radius versus the atomic number group 1 and 2a. So for elements in group 1, make a graph of the atomic radius as a function of atomic number. Make a second line on the same graph that will represent group 2. So, alright, so I have group 1a, which is 3, 11, 19, 37, 55, and of course 87, but we do not have that data. And then for group 2, we have 4, 12, 20, 38, 56. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 2 different colors. You know me, I really like colors. So for 3, I have lithium, which is 1.23. For 11, I have sodium, which is 1.57. For potassium 19, 2.03. For rubidium 37, 2.16. And for cesium 55, I have 2.35. So I have my first group. So I'll have this color as my 1A. And then for my 2A, I will use this color. So 2A starts with number 4, beryllium 0.89, (12) magnesium 1.36, (20) calcium 1.74, (38) strontium 1.91, and 56 1.98. Okay, so as you can see, there is a trend in between each of the groups. So group 1A, it's telling you use a periodic table to determine which elements are members of group 1 and group 2. So it's telling you to make 2 different lines. So if I did a line here, and I did a line here, I should be able to see a notable trend. So this is how I wanted you to start. And for the ionization energy, it's pretty much the same aspect. And it's the same gist. So I want you to try the ionization energy, graph 3 and graph 4 on your own. But here's this to get you started. So if you have any questions, please let me know.